Hey everyone, what I want to show you is that I've just implemented a new feature which will definitely help you in writing much more faster codes in LeetCode. Okay, what is it? Is whenever you go to the LeetCode and you open any problem, you try to solve it, you need to write so many like lengthy codes. You also need some utility functions which will definitely help you in writing in a much faster way. And what this feature does is, I'll show you. Wait, let it just load. Okay, suppose I'm opening any question here, like let's suppose I'm opening this combinations. Okay, and what this feature does is it loads. You can see it loads some pre-written code over here, which is a nice snippet which will help you definitely writing codes in a much more faster way. For example, here is given disjoint set union, so you don't need to write disjoint set union, find function, union function yourself. You can just use it. Okay, what this feature does is, like whenever you open any question, any problem on LeetCode, it automatically injects this code snippet in your Monaco code editor. Okay, you just need to do a few steps to do this. Okay, I'll show you what are those steps. Okay, okay, first you need to do is you need to install an extension from extension store. You can find this extension in like Chrome, I guess, in other browsers also. Okay, so this extension is called as Temper Monkey. So this is the link. You open it. You just need to install it in your browser, and after installing it in your browser, what you need to do is you will be having an icon like this. Okay, like this. You will just click here, and it will show you instructions how to enable these features. Okay, it is very simple. Two-line instruction is written here. Also, it is not showing in my case because I've already enabled it. You need to just enable, follow the steps. It will automatically start doing itself. Okay. After it, you need to create a new script. You click on here. You will see something like this. What you need to do now is I will provide you the code. You need to just copy and paste this over here, and after that you need to just save this file. After saving this file, you will see something like this. Okay. I will show you the code. This is the code, and after saving this into your extension here, that's it. You don't need to do anything further. Okay. You just need to go to this route, like problems slash whatever problem you are going to solve. Like let's suppose I want to do some problem, so I go to some problem, and it is loaded. Okay, the code snippet is loaded. You can write your code here. I'll show you something like, let's suppose I want to declare an order map. So an order map is obviously UM. Okay, I will extend these things and will give you a much more better code snippet. Let's say an order map I want to declare, and it is of like integer. So I will write integer. So I will extend this code, and you don't need to write like integer u. You can simply like something like this. I will do this later. Okay. Now what I will do is I will just give some values to it, and will show you is this even working or not. Okay. Let's suppose I have the key 1 and its value is 2, and I have a key which is 3 and its value is 5. Okay. So I will try to print this and show you whether it is working or not. So let's go. Auto I and u. What I'll do, I'll print the first element, which is I dot first. ft is declared here. It is defined like this. ft is first, sd is second. Okay, you can define all this according to yourself. Like you can edit this and make the perfect code snippet for you. Okay. And this. Okay. Let me return something. Like you have to return something. Let's create a vector and return the empty vector. So you can see the code is running, and it is doing it in a much more faster way. Like you don't need to write unordered map. You just write and everything you want to do. You are getting what I'm trying to say, right? So that's it. Thank you.